Welcome to the Azure Data Engineering interview series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into configuring self-hosted integration runtime for secure data movement from on-prem to Azure with Azure Data Engineering expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. So can you walk me through how you would configure a self-hosted integration runtime for secure data movement from on-prem to Azure?
Sure. So basically, you start by installing the self-hosted integration runtime on a server within your on-premises network. It acts as a bridge to securely transfer data to Azure Data Factory. In a recent project, we had to transfer sensitive financial data, and we used a VPN connection to ensure secure data flow. We also configured the runtime with a proxy for additional security.
That's interesting. How do you ensure that the data remains secure during transit?
To ensure data security during transit, we relied on HTTPS for encrypted communication. Additionally, we configured the data transfer to use Azure Key Vault managed keys for further encryption. Let me see. In our case, this was crucial because it protected client data and met compliance requirements.
Can you come again with your answer? I'd like to understand the security implementation in more detail.
Sure. So let me dive deeper. We used a combination of SSL TLS encryption for the network traffic and Azure Key Vault for encryption at rest. The self-hosted integration runtime was configured to authenticate using managed identity, ensuring that only authorized services and users could initiate data transfers. This multi-layered security approach was really important for maintaining data integrity and compliance.
That sounds comprehensive. How did you handle network configurations and firewall settings?
Right, so we configured the firewall to only allow outbound traffic to specific Azure IP addresses and ports. We also ensured that the integration runtime had limited access within the network, using network security groups in Azure to further restrict inbound and outbound traffic. To be honest, managing these settings was a bit of a challenge, but it was critical for ensuring that only necessary traffic was permitted.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers configuring a self-hosted integration runtime comprehensively. Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the ClearTech Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.